Blood purification recipe to eliminate acidosis. Acidosis, also known as acidemia, is a serious medical condition that occurs when the body has an excess of acid or when the kidneys are unable to effectively remove acid. This imbalance can lead to various risks and negative impacts on health. Acidosis is not just a consequence of unhealthy eating habits or dietary imbalances, it can also be caused by specific health conditions such as kidney disease, diabetes, or the use of certain medications. If left untreated, acidosis can lead to severe complications such as chronic fatigue, reduced concentration, and even coma or death in severe cases. The lives of those suffering from acidosis can be severely affected. They may experience a decline in quality of life due to symptoms like constant fatigue, discomfort, and body aches. This can also lead to limitations in daily activities, reduced work productivity, and impact on social interactions and mental well-being. This includes maintaining a balanced and healthy diet, regular health checkups, and following doctors' recommendations when dealing with related health issues. Lifestyle and dietary changes, along with medical treatment, can effectively control acidosis and significantly improve the quality of life. Kohlrabi is an excellent choice for preventing acidosis thanks to its rich potassium content. With its high potassium levels, kohlrabi can help rebalance the body's pH level. Consuming kohlrabi allows the potassium in it to participate in the process of filtering and removing excess acids, thereby helping to maintain a more alkaline environment in the body. Potassium is an important mineral, playing a crucial role in maintaining electrolyte balance and the pH level in the body. It helps regulate acid-base balance by promoting the elimination of excess acid through the kidneys. Kohlrabi is an ideal component in an alkaline diet, aimed at enhancing the intake of foods rich in alkaline minerals to balance the body's pH level. To maximize these benefits, kohlrabi can be consumed raw, as in salads, or juiced. Kohlrabi juice, when combined with other vegetables like carrots and green apples, can become part of a balanced and healthy diet. Kohlrabi, green apple, and carrot alkalizing juice, 1 medium-sized kohlrabi, 2 green apples, 3 medium carrots. Prepare the ingredients. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Peel the kohlrabi if the skin is tough, optional. Chop it into smaller pieces that can easily fit into your juicer's feed chute. Core the green apples and cut them into wedges. Trim the ends of the carrots. You may also peel them if you prefer, but it's not necessary. Juicing. Start by juicing the kohlrabi pieces. Follow with the green apple wedges. Apples are not only flavorful but also contain healthy enzymes and antioxidants. Finish with the carrots. Carrots add a natural sweetness and are high in beta-carotene and fiber. Once all the ingredients are juiced, stir the mixture to ensure everything is well combined. Serve the juice immediately for the best taste and nutrient retention. For added flavor and health benefits, consider adding a small piece of fresh ginger or a handful of fresh spinach. Ginger can aid digestion, while spinach adds extra iron and vitamins. Kohlrabi, a unique vegetable often referred to as a cabbage turnip in German, is a notable member of the cruciferous vegetable family. Contrary to its appearance, kohlrabi isn't a root but a bulbous stem that grows above the ground. Its texture resembles the stem of broccoli, offering a sweeter, milder flavor with a hint of radish. Kohlrabi is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's loaded with dietary fiber, carotenoids, and essential vitamins like A, C, K, and the B complex. Its antioxidant properties, common to the cruciferous vegetable family, are known to aid in preventing colon and prostate cancers. Kohlrabi is also abundant in minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, phosphorus, manganese, and copper. The high potassium content, in particular, helps maintain blood alkalinity, which is beneficial for various health conditions. Incorporating kohlrabi into your diet not only addresses issues of acidosis and detoxification but also helps in the prevention and management of various health conditions, including asthma and lung health, cardiovascular diseases, nervous system function, prostate and colon cancer prevention, weight loss and skin health. Tips for selecting and storing kohlrabi. For the freshest kohlrabi, opt for medium to small-sized ones that feel heavy for their size. The purple varieties tend to be sweeter. Store them by trimming the leaves, keeping them unwashed in a plastic bag in the fridge, and use within a week. For juicing, wash and chop the kohlrabi to fit your juicer, no peeling necessary. Kohlrabi pairs well with greens and root vegetables.